The tools we use to communicate are constantly evolving. It's challenging for service providers to keep up with increasing consumer demands and technological advancements, while also reducing the cost of ownership and staying competitive. Making the switch from legacy hardware, expanding your footprint, and adding new services is costly and expensive to maintain, making your business less profitable over time. Fortunately, there's an easy way to upgrade from legacy soft switch networks with Alianza's full-stack cloud communications platform. Alianza is the only cloud-native, carrier-grade communications platform built for service providers, providing a full suite of both turnkey and customizable communication solutions. We make it easy to upgrade from BroadSoft, Metaswitch, GenBand, and other legacy soft switch networks, so you can transform your infrastructure, move to the cloud, and offer the latest in next-gen technologies. This means you can easily extend calling, messaging, video, collaboration, and mobility capabilities to your end users, increasing revenue opportunities and mitigating customer churn. With easy user migration and onboarding and extensive market-ready resources, Alianza increases your speed to market and reduces customer acquisition and asset development costs. Whether you're a fiber-to-the-home builder, regional or national telecom provider, or a satellite broadband provider, Alianza's platform is highly scalable to meet a vast range of service provider needs, making it easier than ever to transition your company to the future and provide the amazing experience your customers deserve. Transform your business. Visit Alianza.com today.